I hear the music.
Oh wait, right here?
Maybe. Yeah, I hear them fighting.
Oh, those dudes got fucked up!
Where the boss is at?
Come on!
Kevin, why?
Kevin, why?
What the fuck is wrong with you? Kevin, why?
Why would you shoot me?
Nobody shot you.
Nobody shot you.
You ran in. Kevin.
Oh my god, you idiot!
Oh fuck, sorry dude.
We had them all gathered.
Oh no,
I'll get him back.
Bring him back, fuck.
My bad. Didn't think I was gonna aggro.
Just come over with me. Come over with me. Like, come, let's do a couple circles, get them gathered up, and we'll put them on the beach.
There we go.
Don't you fucking hit me. Don't you fucking dare. Oh my god, dude.
I hit you. They're all fucking dead though. Don't worry. They're all dead.
They should spawn them a lot further away.
Chain service?
We have to restart the party.
Oh my god.
Tira pra baixo. Tem que atirar embaixo deles pra entrar água. Perfeito. Nice. Linda. Nossa senhora. Puta que pariu, tem uma pedra!
Back on the ship.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's trying to shoot. Nice. Good job.
You're not shooting shit, you're dead again, bitch.
Whoa!
What?
I'm on this ship!
What? I'm flying in here!
Dude!
What is happening to me?
I'm watching, dude! Oh my god!
I'm like on the bottom of the ocean now, what?
Dude, if you look at my stream, it's... oh my god!
I told you,
Go back inside! Nope.
There's somebody on our ship. He's on our ship. Some camp.
The bananas!
Nice!
Она прям уже... Там две акулы.
Да чтоб тебя!
Меня никто не предупредил, что я здесь рикошечу. Я, короче, занимаю с пушками. Если вы подведете на пляж, я смогу их
What the fuck? What's going on?
We get grabbed.
No!
That's okay, I knocked you out,
No!
You're good, get back on the ship.
What
Get back
was
on the
that?
ship.
I don't like it! What was that?
Oh shit.
Get me out! No! Stop sailing! Bad touch! Bad touch!
I don't want to
Bye the bee.
Of course,
and
Joe
it-
would get on the wrong ship. Joe, you're on our ship with the explosive.
Joe, get...
I know. No, Joe, get back!
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck, I died.
I fell off the ship and I was trying to get onto the enemy ship and I had to get back up on the...
Joe, you are a certified moron!
Let's go.
Whew. That was butt clench for no reason. Right into the
Guys?
pier.
Guys?
People here?
Guys?
What happened?
I'm out in the middle of the ocean.
O, to się sprawiło.
Co ci jebe?
To cię urobiło.
Never mind, I'm in.
That way.
Oh, Jesus, what the fuck?
Oh crap! I'm gonna hit. I landed right into the side of that island. Thank God you don't splat.
To go through this life and to make it my bitch. They said to quit, I would keep moving. I knew all the shit then and there I was doing was getting me forward. I kept on improving, and now they all turning around and they voted for me to keep grinding. They spreading the movement, they never would listen, but now they all tuning. The pressure is building, it's never reducing. They wanna wake up after all I'm snoozing. I don't give a fuck. They